Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure removing an authorized user responsibly, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by reviewing the reasons for removing an authorized user. Ensure you understand the impact this decision may have on your credit and finances. Gather all relevant account information, including account numbers and personal identification. Log into your online banking or credit card account. Navigate to the section that manages authorized users or account settings. Locate the list of authorized users linked to your account. Identify the user you wish to remove. Before proceeding, consider contacting the authorized user to inform them of your decision. Once you are ready, select the option to remove the authorized user. Double-check for any warnings or consequences that may appear during the process. Confirm the removal by following any prompts or instructions provided by the platform. After the removal, monitor your account for any unusual activity or changes. Consider checking your credit report to ensure the update reflects accurately. If necessary, update any billing statements or payment methods tied to the removed user. Keep records of your communication and changes for future reference. Reassess your current accounts and authorized users periodically to maintain control. By following these steps, you can responsibly remove an authorized user from your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.